Let's fill out the Rhode Island dirt bike bill of sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the dirt bike and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dirt bike, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the dirt bike. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. So you're buying a dirt bike in this state. Here's what you need to know about the bill of sale. First, the title must already be in the seller's name, so make sure that lines up before you hand over any money. The seller, or the person gifting the vehicle, needs to sign the back of the title. That signature is required, so don't skip that step. You'll also need a valid certificate of title to complete the transfer. And as the buyer, your goal is to get that title put into your own name. Now, if there's a lien on the bike, you'll need a letter of lien release before anything can move forward. Here's an important one about notarization. This state only requires notarization if the vehicle is being gifted from someone who is not an immediate family member. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.